Today I will demonstrate the bandaging techniques for chest injury. Make sure you have a triangular bandage and find the apex of the triangular bandage. Put the apex on top of the shoulder where the side of the injury is. Tie the two sides on the back of the patient, aligning it at the apex of the triangular bandage. Then find the apex and tie one of the sides for it. You can tuck in the remaining pairs